Today, I will guide you step by step on how to move your Steam game save files to another computer. First, open Steam on your original computer. Go to your library and find the game you want to transfer. Right-click the game title and select Properties. Now open the Installed Files tab and select Backup Game Files. A window will appear asking where you want to save the backup. Choose a folder on an external drive, such as a USB or hard drive. Click Create Backup to start the process. Steam will save the files in a folder that you can later use to restore on another computer. Once the backup is done, safely remove your drive and connect it to the new PC. Open Steam on the new computer. Click Steam in the top left corner and choose Restore Game Backup. Browse to the folder on your external drive where you saved the files. Select it and click Restore. Steam will install the game. There is also a second method if you simply want to move the game files without creating a backup. On your original PC, go back to the game's properties, open the Installed Files tab, and choose Move Install Folder. But this feature is not available for all games. As you can see, this game does not have this option. So if you see an option to move the game files, just click it and select the drive where you want to move the files. Once the process is done, you can launch your game and continue playing just like before. Thanks for watching.